guys, thank you so much for checking out on my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about graphite pencils. But before that, I would like to thank everyone who subscribed to this channel. It really means so much to me. And for those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and hit that red button below. Click also the bell notification so that you will be notified if I'll upload a new video. Okay, let's go back to our work. I'm sketching here a picture. Well, this is actually a picture of my father. He requested me the other day to draw him, and I thought I might include it on my channel. My father was the one who taught me how to draw, and he's particular with details. When I was in grade 5, he taught me on how to draw using grid lines. He's quite meticulous when it comes to arts and aesthetics, but he doesn't draw a lot. I had a degree of fine arts before I proceeded to take up education for my teaching career. My fine arts years was fun. It was when I learned more about arts and somehow enhanced my skills in drawing. I learned about different other mediums and styles. I am using here a 2B graphite pencil. Well, it's the only pencil that I have right now. And I will try my best to make the drawing darker, but I doubt it will get any darker. I was planning to buy an 8B or 10B pencil after the end of the school year, but unfortunately, because of the COVID-19 enhanced community quarantine, I wasn't able to go out and buy. I'm using a cotton bud and my index finger here as spreaders. Well, it always works for me. Okay, before you'll get confused of the 2B, 8B, and 10B that I mentioned a while ago, let's talk about the HB graphite scale. Most pencil manufacturers outside of the US use this scale, using the letter H to indicate a hard pencil. Likewise, a pencil maker might use the letter B to designate the blackness of the pencil's mark, indicating a softer lead. The letter F is also used to indicate that the pencil sharpens to a fine point. Historically, pencil makers also use combinations of letters to tell us about the graphite. A pencil marked HB is hard and black. A pencil marked HH or double H is very hard, and a pencil marked BBB or triple B is really black. Today, however, most pencils using the HB system are designated by a number such as 2B, 4B, or 2H to indicate the degree of hardness. For example, a 4B would be softer than a 2B and a 3H harder than an H. A B grade means that the core has more graphite and will make a bolder, darker line and also be a little smudgier than a light pencil. An H grade means that the core has more clay and will make a lighter, finer line and will be less smudgy than a dark pencil. I guess that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye!